Hi, welcome back sa ating Go High Level series. If you are a virtual assistant, social media manager, or freelancer, and gusto mong matutunan yung Go High Level without feeling overwhelmed, relax ka lang. I'm here. Let's learn together. Hi, I'm Mary and I teach people how to start working from home. Finally, after ilang buwan, meron na naman tayong bagong video. Today, we're focusing on Go High Level navigation for total beginners, specifically sa marketing tab. No jargon, no pressure, parang guided tour lang, kumbaga. So first things first, kung hindi pa kayo nakakasunod dito sa series na to, medyo mabagal yung progress natin, but we're doing our best and we are learning together for free, structured, and everything in between. So mag-comment ka lang dyan na Learn Go High Level and we'll send you over the link for the full series. At kung sinusundan mo na to, eto na. Ito na yung part na iniintay mo. So pag login mo sa Go High Level, sa left sidebar, makikita mo na yung marketing. I-click mo lang yon. And don't worry, hindi mo naman kailangan gamitin lahat kagad. As a beginner virtual assistant, may key sections lang na importante para sa atin. So the marketing tab is where you handle emails, SMS, social media scheduling, promotions. In short, dito nangyayari ang outreach at follow-ups ng clients mo. Ito yung dahilan kung bakit mahalaga yung GHL sa businesses kasi automated na, organized pa. If you click on marketing, click on email sa taas, here's what you'd usually do as a virtual assistant. First things first, kapag pumunta ka sa email templates, ito ang gagamitin mo for welcome emails, follow-ups, or promos. You can create a new template. So, lalagyan mo lang siya ng bagong subject line, simpleng message, make it short and clear, and then add a button or link if kailangan mo. Next, save template. And hindi mo pa ito ipapadala. Ginagamit lang siya later for automation. Now, as an additional tip, what I notice is that hindi kailangang mahaba yung email. Mas effective yung simple and direct. Now, for email campaigns, all you have to do is go to emails, campaigns, and then ito naman yung gagamitin mo sa pagsisend ng newsletter, announcements, one-time blast. In order to do that, all you have to do is click on Create New Campaign, choose your email template, select Contact List, schedule, or gusto mo, pwede mo nang isend. As a beginner virtual assistant, always ask the client first before sending campaigns. Automation usually handles the rest. Now, one more thing, if you click on marketing, SMS, this is for text message follow-ups. Usually, ginagamit to for appointment reminders, hey, just checking in messages, and promo alerts. Now, same thing with email. SMS works best kapag ka short, friendly, at may permission ang contacts. Yung SMS campaign ay hindi free. So, hindi lahat ng clients gumagamit nito, pero malaking plus sa skill set mo kung marunong ka. Ito naman yung part na pinakang gamit ko, the social planner. If you go to marketing, click on social planner, this is where you can schedule social media posts, Google business updates. All you have to do is click on connect socials, create a post, add caption plus image, choose the date and time kung kailan mo gustong i-schedule, or pwede rin namang diretsyong post. Ang kagandahan nito, hindi lang photos but you can also post videos and pwede mo rin itag yung location depending on the platform na magpo-post ka. So kung social media manager ka, sobrang useful talaga nito. One dashboard, nandyan ang lahat. Now keep in mind na makikita mo rin yung mga promotions dito. This is usually for discounts, limited offers. If beginner ka pa lang, kailang na-skip mo muna. Focus ka muna sa emails, SMS, and social planner. Now, kung beginner ka and you wanna practice or if nalilito ka, you can actually follow this order. First, pag-aralan mo muna yung email templates, and then social planner, and then create email campaigns, and then SMS. Again, SMS, lalo na kung nasunod ka dito sa free natin na version na to, hindi natin isa-set up to because may bayad ng SMS. But it's good to know. You do not need to master everything in one day. Ang importante, alam mo kung saan hahanapin at alam mo kung paano gagamitin. If this video helped you understand the marketing tab of Go High Level, go ahead and share this to your friends na nag-iisip na rin ng pag-aralan tong CRM na to. And again, if you want to follow the series, just comment Learn GHL and we'll send you the link kung paano nga bang susundan yung pag-aaral natin ng Go High Level. I'll also send you over my beginner-friendly access link so you can practice habang fresh pa sa isip mo. I personally believe that this is one of the best tools that you can add to your VA skill set. And yes, clients are actively looking for VAs who knows how to use Go High Level. So huwag ka na magpahuli pa. That is it for this vlog. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home and follow for more work from home chismis. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!